Ayun. Drink kita doon. Sama yung driver, diba? Mga Marvel, oy, may nagpapa-video pa. Hi, what's up, shout out.
Up next, guys.
Pull
up your line.
Pan ako ng grupo nyo eh. Basta tuloy nyo yung ginagawa nyo. Nakilala ko kayo sa Alabang eh. Yung mga sinaselfie nyo, taga rito lang din yan. Taga Cavite, si Naristi, si Sam, Cairo.
Attention, cosplay participants. They're here of all cosplay registered participants.
Pan ako ng ano nyo eh, ng grupo nyo eh. Nakilala ko kayo sa Alabang.
The cosplay competition will proceed in a bit.
Yo guys, shoutout kay Kenny, Narcam, Power Bugs, Christine, Joy, Childman, Dino, and Jan Becarong. Hello, shoutout sa inyo, kamusta kayo? Yeah! Paano pakikita sa kayo? Ito yung listahan ng pa-shoutout ha. Pinoutout ko lahat yan, yeah!
Ay, galing sir.
Wait, pirma ko muna. Autograph para remembrance. But I'm happy to see you.
Thank you for coming.
Yes.
I really
honored to meet you.
Yvonne, Iya, Enzo cosplay to Sims, Icon cosplayer.
Ay, invincible. Crossover siya ng Si Darna.
Oo, si Darna.
Voltes 5.
Tapos may Invincible mo.
Voltes 5.
Galing.
Si 13. Drawing ni Kadyo yan. Yung gumawa ng 13.
Ito, Voltron.
Voltes 5. Oh.
Loob na Voltes 5.
Sige, sasang ko na. Isa lang muna, 1, 2, 3, go! Dito na daw. Bias mo mas ka?
Hi! Shout out Akari Chargers, Danny Ravenna, Fifi Sharma, Gretchen Soldones, Ivy Laxina, Celine Domingo, and Faith Nisperos. Thank you!
Si Noel Torres.
Okay.
Guys, you can
Mga tropa ko yan.
Hi, shoutout kay Rustico Limosinero, Clenty Catalan, Jojo Hilario,
Yes. Si Samoan.
Kate Valdez, Samoan, Ronnie Boy Comics, Herbert Hernandez. This is the Herbert Hernandez of
Musarete.
estudyante ko siya dati sa ano.
Kaya ako nalaman dahil sinabi sa akin ni Clint sa kanila.
Yes, nice.
Nakakaano ko, ay pwede paano, pansay na.
Pansay. Singwapo ko lang.
And find strength for how I was gonna approach her. Kasi during that leader. I'm one of the many survivors who took a step to journey with her, a journey of discovering hope in the... To present to you Miss Lian.
Padala na lang, papadala ko na lang kayo. For special to.
Oh, sige. Isa dito, isa doon. Side view. Dito tayo harap ha. Side view lang to.
A lot has happened with Dave. I know that there are so many survivors here. Hindi pa kami nagkikita-kita. But we all got connected because of Pave. Because of the heart of Pave. And I'm really grateful na I'm a part of a community that actually really, sits down with people, listen to their stories, get the chance to pray for them. And I hope, thank you, and her Pave. And yeah, I'll be here too.
Thank you.
Dr. Rick. Selfie na lang.
Pwede akong pakapag-grab na rin.
Consider as one lang to ha, judges. Isa lang ha. Alright, let me introduce to everyone. We have Prince, Ian, and Balton.
Yan, masisearch kita sa FB. Malino yung pangalan mo eh. Para i-follow kita.
Hindi pantay yung buhay.
Autograph.
Try na. Si Kuya John. Okay, sige. Everyone, when I call in,
Thank you.
please. Start tayo. Thank you. Dito yung 150 sa may textbook. Inaayos na po.
Send ka pa sa theater eh.
Mabiyahe mo na lang ako to. Hindi na ako utingit eh. May helmet ka eh. Tapos tatakbo ako.
Thank you po. Okay lang. Pwede akong autograph. Sayang hindi ko naka-cosplay.
Wala, matagal pa bago ako
By the way, thank you po sa autograph.